Hello everybody, this is Robert Adams. I'm going to be going over two projects tonight. First one's going to be the Case Project 7.1 Quick Healthy Snack Ideas app, and the second one is the Case Project 7-2 New 7 Wonders of the World app. So with these apps, it's going to be a pretty simple process. We're just going to click on some pictures and it's going to display a picture at the bottom of a grid. And for the first one, we're going to start with the Healthy Snack Ideas app. Right here, we're going to see that it's in the linear layout scheme. For this application, it requested that the grid view use the layout height of 400 dp. I went ahead and made that wrap content because when doing anything to that, it makes the image go way below the screen. I did change the columns to 2 and the spacing for horizontal and vertical set at 2 dp and the column width set to 150 dp. And for down here, I just left this all the same. It's going to wrap the larger image at the bottom and it should wrap to the screen. As you can see over here under the drawable folder, I have the 5 snack pictures. And on the strings, you see the Healthy Snack Ideas images for the string for the image large. So in the code, right here, we're going to see the arrays for all the snacks getting called right here. And this one is the larger image below. Scroll down a little bit more, and this code is for the grid view. And so this is the one that sets up the grid view as well as the image at the bottom. And the same thing with these right here. This is all about setting the grid view up so when you click on it, it calls it and sets that context. Down here, the toast is what pops up as a display, and when you click on it, it's going to give you a message. Over here, it's going to say selected snack, and it's going to decide what position that picture is for that snack. So it'll say selected snack 1, 2, and so on. Scroll down and we'll get down into the context over here. And then down here, it just shows the picture at the bottom, and it tells what position this picture and the grid needs to be in and how to display it on the screen properly. So let's go ahead and run this application. I have the emulator up already to make it fast. Or at least faster. So here we got the 5 images of the snacks. Let's go ahead and click on the first one. Selected snack 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as you can see, this application works as expected. And we're going to go swing over to the next application. So this one is pretty much going to be the exact same thing. The main difference is for this one, we want to do 4 images across each row. So 4 columns. And then we're going to have a column width of 60 dp and horizontal and vertical spacing of 3 dp. So everything else is set up the same. String is going to be the new 7 Wonders of the World monuments. Come down here, we got the arrays for the wonders, the grid view, and the image view code. Selected monument, context, and the positions, as well as all the wonders. There's 7 of them here in the drawable folder. So let's go ahead and run this application. Alright, this one looks a little bit more cleaner, all nice and together. So selected monument 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is it for this project. Pretty simple. Not too much when it comes to design, as you can see on the design tab. The only thing that was done here was dragging the grid view out onto here. Everything else was done by code. And that is it for these two projects. I hope you enjoyed.